So this is the broken one, and it looks like it just hear that. Okay, so this one here is supposed to go in there and through that wire, and a wire popped out. Yeah, so let's lift that up and try and put that wire back in there. There, like that. Turn it a bit. Okay. So every second one, right? Yeah. Nope. 2, 3, 4, 5. Like so. That's how it goes. However that happened, we're gonna make it like that. So let's get the top piece back down here. I think that's be much better. Don't move. It's going to be tricky. I'm going to put one screw there. That's a good start. Just put it in enough to hold it into place, because I think it's going to be tough to get a good look. Okay, one more there. Okay, let's tighten that one up again. Okay. I haven't even told you guys what this is yet. Figure it out in a minute. Okay. Now I see here. Kind of want to get these two wires together here. You can see what I'm trying to do. Like that. Let's clamp them right together, and then we'll put a screw. And that closed up, okay. Another one there. Just thought it was kind of neat how this thing actually goes together. Otherwise, this umbrella would have been toast. On the blind side. Yeah. One right here. Right? Okay. I think that's going to be enough to hold. Yeah. Let's have a look. Crank it up. There you go. The umbrella that was floppy is floppy no more.